In this presentation, my job is to create a new logo for an American conservation company as it is expanding to global operations. I will also show a new logo for clients from India since most of the clients come from there. The two companies will be known as Indian Conservatory and American Conservatory. According to the Module 3 notes, it is important for the logo to have an icon that is visually distinctive and easy to notice. Both logos will be just a few inches in length and height, even though they can be made bigger due to their simplistic outlines. Because only the heads of the tiger and bald eagle are in the logos instead of their whole body or anything else, it will make them easier to distinguish in a variety of sizes. The color scheme for both logos will consist of the colors of the country's national flags, which are red, white, and blue for the United States, which, according to a PBS webpage, represent purity, perseverance, and hardiness, and white, green, and orange, or saffron, for India, which represent peace, fertility, and strength, respectively. Even though none of the text is white, having an outline will make the tiger and bald eagle look white. For the symbolism of the logos, I have decided that since this is a conservation company, meaning that we want to protect animals in their environments, it would be fitting to have an animal in both logos since they symbolize what our goal is to protect. When it comes to the icon, there is more meaning to our animal symbols besides what they want to protect. The Bengal tiger and the bald eagle are the national animals of India and the United States, respectively. According to our class textbook, if we want to appeal to different countries, they should be able to identify themselves with the characteristics of the icon, which in this case is the animal. In India, according to a webpage by Anupriya Narsaria, the Bengal tiger is a symbol of strength, grace, and agility. In the United States, the bald eagle represents strength and freedom for America. Since logo size has relatively nothing to do with emotional perception and more with visibility, it is safe to say that both logos should be the same size since visual perception should not be too different for both countries. I figured that colors of national flags would be useful for India specifically as they may more likely respond to warm colors. When it comes to icons, India may get a stronger reaction out of an icon that is a symbol of power and may not relate as much with a symbol of liberty, and the other way around for Americans.